Lemon Learning makes software easy and accelerates digital software adoption. How? With this little bubble integrated directly into any web-based tool that you may use on a daily basis, for instance here in Synertrade. The goal? Empowering users at the time of need, just like a GPS. Lemon Learning is very easy to use. You just have to click on the bubble. The shelf contains guides for any task you may need to complete in Synertrade. For instance, if you want to learn how to initiate a request in Synertrade, the user is guided step by step thanks to interactive guides. Using the approach learning by doing, users gain immediate proficiency in their everyday tasks. With direct integration, training doesn't disrupt work by making users exit their tool to learn. With on-demand guides, users learn what they need when they need it. This immediate 24/7 access to training increases self-sufficiency. This content is easy to use, and it's also easy to create. With Lemon Learning's editor, you can customize guides in just a few clicks. All of this is easy to manage from the back office, where you can see an overview of your projects and manage users. With Lemon Learning, engage users with personalized Synertrade training courses. Provide on-demand learning and real-time assistance. Increase Synertrade adoption and reduce support costs. Lemon Learning is available for Synertrade or any web-based tool you may have, including CRMs, ERPs, HRISs, e-procurement software, and even in-house tools.